If you're looking for a small but serious upgrade to your toolset, the Milwaukee 5-piece Torque Lock-in Pliers set is exactly that kind of no-nonsense buy. This kit bundles multiple jaw styles and sizes so you're covered for welding, clamping, and stubborn bolt extraction tasks. Milwaukee's Torque Lock mechanism is the headline feature. It's designed for faster setup and easier release compared with older lock-in plier designs, and the set is forged from alloy steel for strength and durability. For a hands-on video or voiceover, call out the red powder coat finish, the stamped model size markings on each plier, and the feeling of the quick release mechanism under load. Those little details help buyers picture the product in real use. Customer feedback on the Amazon listing and reseller trackers is consistently positive for durability and value. Many customers praise the solid build quality, for the price, and the improved release ergonomics thanks to the Torque Lock feature. Common use cases mentioned in reviews include auto work, fabrication, and home repair. On the downside, a few buyers say the jaws need occasional adjustment after heavy use and note that professional mechanics who need factory-grade finishes still prefer higher-end brands. But for most DIYers and pros who want reliable lock-in pliers without breaking the bank, this set hits a strong value sweet spot. Summarize the call to action with, if you want one, we share by links in description box.